Barbers, listen to me. If your chair isn't booked the way it should be, it's probably not because you're not skilled enough. It's because you don't know who you're actually talking to. See, right now you're cutting, you're posting, and grinding, but you're missing the most important piece speaking directly to your ideal client. See, most barbers think they're selling haircuts, but you're not. You're selling an experience, a transformation. Your client isn't paying for just a basic haircut. They're paying for a result that you bring. Today, I'm breaking down step by step how to identify your ideal client, build an experience tailored to them, use social media the right way to turn views into paying clients. This will change how you do business forever. So, what is an offer? I want to talk about and break down what an offer is. But before we talk about your ideal client, you have to understand what that offer really is. See, most barbers think their offer is, hey, I do $50 haircuts. No. I have an ebook for sale. No. I do mentorship programs. No. That's not an offer. That's just what you sell. An offer is the transformation your client receives in exchange for their money. At Money Cuts Barbershop, my presidential crown experience isn't just a haircut. I'm offering my client a place to reset, relax, and recharge. A space where he doesn't have to think about work or stress or life's demands. It's just all about him. The result, he leaves feeling like a king. That is what I sell. That's my offer. Now let's break down how you find your ideal client and create an experience that they stay loyal to. All right. So the first thing is this: identifying your avatar. What do you mean your avatar? Your ideal client, your specific client, not clients, plural tense, but your specific ideal client. You can't serve everybody. If you're trying to cut anybody with hair, you will never have loyal clients. I want you to ask yourself this: who do you love cutting the most? Who spends the most money with you? And the last question is, what problems does your best client need solved? All right. So for example, maybe your ideal client is a businessman who needs a professional, low maintenance cut that lasts him some time. Or maybe it's an entrepreneur who cares about his branding and needs a fresh design every single week. Whoever it is, you need to define them in detail. The way you price, the way you market, and the way you serve should be built for them specifically. Here's the second thing that I want you to most definitely pay attention to: building an experience that speaks to your avatar or specifically to your ideal client. See, once you know who your client is, craft an experience around them. For example, if your ideal client is a high-level businessman, you should possibly have VIP booking options before or after hours. Provide a clean, professional atmosphere. Offer an efficient service so he's not waiting all day for his haircut. Here's a second example. If your ideal client is a young entrepreneur, you should do this: offer content packages, photos, videos after the cut, or create a space that fits his brand and lifestyle, or make his haircut a key part of his image, because it is. See, everything you do, from how you price to how you talk, should be for your ideal client. Now, how do you make sure they actually find you? This is the third thing that we have to prioritize and make a big issue out of: using your social media to convert clients. Listen, social media is your digital storefront. If you're just posting random cuts, you're losing money. I'm telling you, you are. Your ideal client isn't looking for a haircut. They're looking for a transformation. They're looking for your result. Here's how you use social media the right way. You want to have hooks. Hook them with pain points. See, there's a psychology to creating content. So you have to be able to use verbiage that relates to the person on the other end of viewing your content. So for example, if I say, Your last barber messed up your fade again. Tired of cuts that only look good for a day? Now, could you imagine being that person on the other end of this video, reading that? That might resonate with them. So now you just pulled them into what you're talking about. You've pulled them into your experience now. So show the experience, not just the cut. Post before and after. Show them relaxing in the chair, highlighting how they feel when they leave. And most definitely talk to them, not at them. Instead of, I do the best fades in the city. You can say, if you're tired of rush barbers who don't care about detail, let me change that for you. And then you want to have a clear call to action. DM me, book to schedule your experience. Click the link in my bio to lock in your spot. Social media isn't just for posting, you all, it's for converting. This is the last thing that I want you to think about. Your closing and call to action. What do I mean about that? Now, you see why barbers struggle to get consistent clients? It's not their skill. It's their lack of an offer. It's their lack of clarity on their ideal client and lack of strategy on their social media platforms. See, if you apply what I taught today, you will attract the right clients. You're going to build an experience they stay loyal to, and you're going to be making sure that you're making more money with purpose. Look, this is the Complete Barber Blueprint, y'all. My name is Jonathan Edwards, and if you found any value in this video, if you found anything that resonated with you in this piece of content, I want you to tag a barber. I want you to share this with an entrepreneur that you know who may be in this position and might be struggling with some different difficulties in this lane. I want to help you. So share this with them. Drop a comment below too as well and let me know what was the key things or the key thing that you took away from this message. Again, my name is Jonathan Edwards and we're signing out of here. Let's go.